Hey there, welcome back and thanks for joining me. All my supplies and equipment are down in that description box below and they have links, so check that out. And if you like this video, hit that subscribe button. If you want to be notified of new videos when they come out, hit that notification bell and give me a thumbs up. And if you have a question or comment, leave it down in the comments. I do answer. So, okay, I am mixing for flowers Valencia and teakwood and Blanco. And let's get rolling. Now I'm putting the white back in the orange first because I'm thinking it might help to keep them separated. And I don't blow real hard because I'm wanting these to still be flower-ish, but you know, not weird. So yeah, I just kind of get them to the shape I like, or the best I think it'll do. Good grief. I did it again. I already did this once where it just spit out. Now once I get the shape I like, I don't have a problem doing this back and, you know, letting it get some whatevers. It mixes, but it keeps it from going any farther. Okay. I can't think of words. So those of you who do not know what I just said, I don't even know what I just said. So this is what I was trying to tell you, is when you blow this out initially and you get it as far as you want it and you don't want it any longer or bigger, reverse how you're blowing it and blow back toward where you just came from. What this does is it creates another little layer on top of that, but it keeps your overall flower or petal or leaf, whatever you want to do, in a smaller area. But if you just blow out and then go, that's where I want to stop, and there's still a lot of liquid at the end, it will just get rounded. It may not be the look you're wanting. So yeah, once you blow out a little bit and you've gotten as far as you want, turn around and blow it back toward where you began. So I hope that makes a little better sense. Okay. So, all right, on with it. Little hot messes. I think they'll be okay. Okay, something I want to do. Let me get my piece of cardstock. Okay, we'll do my stem, and I guess I'm going to do that in, I think I'm going to go ahead and do moss. Well, no, I can't do moss. It's ink. I mean, alcohol ink. Sap green's a little too, I think sap green will be fine. Yeah, I like sap green. I'm going to very quickly just, I think we'll go this way, make it a little easier. Okay. Yeah. Happy with that. Let's see. I don't know. Do I want to do squigglies and brown? I don't think the orange will show up. I don't know. Until then, let me do this. I'm going to do some green squiggies in this. Now, I'm pushing it out a little bit and then I'm blasting it so it causes it to be that thicker type stuff. Now, if I want it to be long, I would just kind of follow it and push it along. But these I'm wanting to be kind of thick. See, I've got it out a little bit, and then I'm kind of going sideways with it a little. Makes it get a little thick. We'll try a thicker end and see what that does. So this is what I'm doing again. Putting a big dot down. I'll blow it a little bit. And then I'm going to blow down to make it do that type shape. Okay. That's pretty interesting. Again, I had something else in mind, but this has turned out really cool. We'll do brown through these. I want something through there. They just kind of seem like they're getting lost. So they will show up. I'm going to use the sepia because it's a darker brown than the burnt umber. And these I'm not blowing in any particular way. I'm just kind of busting them up. I mean, I'll blow them a little bit and then I hit them. So they'll just kind of go everywhere. Kind of like the leaves. So they still have that same look to them. Because I just want a bunch of lines on these. They're dark enough they can handle it. If they were light and showing every bit, yeah, I'd probably rethink it. But these are dark. And I think they can handle the clutter on them. All right. I do not know what I want to do. I want something in the background. I think I want splatters, but I kind of want to do something else a little bit. I think what I might do is on this brown, you know how I like my stripes. And I want to dot them off. So they're just very subtle. Not that subtle. And I'm only doing about half the card because I'm trying to get in these little grooves. Like all the way up to it like that. I don't mind them being over the leaves. I don't want them over the flowers. This is where I go to the short one. Okay. I think I'm going to do green. I'm going to water it down pretty good because it's pretty thick. Now I'm kind of doing diagonal. I don't even know. Yeah, I'm going all over. I was going to say, I may just do that. I'm like, nope, you're not. You're going to do it all over. All right. I think I'm done. I do. I think I'm done. I kind of want to do some more green. just as I say that, but I don't know. Yeah, I think I do. I think I do, just because I don't want the fly. Let me look at it in my camera. Yeah, the green needs some more because it's kind of, it needs to have some more presence. So I'm going to take the big end, get in my paint. And if you need to make them bigger, instead of keep putting them here, put them up in here. I'm trying to make that one not look so goofy. There we go. There we go. Yeah, those are looking proportionate. Yeah, that's looking a little more even. Yep, that's what it needed. Yep. All right, I'm glad I did that. That looked much better. Okay, y'all go have fun.